It's Saturday, March 30th, 2019. This is Lorraine reporting from New Jersey. I've been spending the last hour cleaning up the debris left on my property by the satanic ritual abusers that vandalize my property, that trespass, and that are committing felony crimes against me. What they're doing is performing witchcraft, santeria, voodoo, hexes, curses on my property to prevent it from selling, because they know that when I sell my property and leave here, they're all going to lose their income. But anyway, I'm cleaning up my property, and buried in my lawn is a double knotted cord. Now, mind you, I'm living here 30 years. And I've been cleaning up my property for 3 hours every day since spring because of these demonic, pathological, psychotic, sadistic, demonic, Luciferian criminals invading my property on a nightly basis. But I just want to show you, this is a double knotted cord stuck in my property with a piece of plastic. Signing off for now.